Yesterday was a difficult day throughout the county with fire units responding to more than 9 fires here in San Diego County. Throughout the night, we made great progress on several fires in the county, including the Cocos fire, which we're here at today, which is the #1 priority in the county. Our #1 priority today is keeping the fire out of Harmony Grove, and with an emphasis on structure protection, structure defense, and perimeter control. We're also very cognizant to all the people who have been evacuated. One of the other priorities for us today is evaluate which ones we can repopulate based on safety.
We aren't letting anybody in, so the evacuations still are in place.
Investigations will be done between fire and our bomb arson squad into the origin of every fire.
Do you mind?
Yeah.
Sure, we had a lot of fires, but you have to look at the conditions we're in. This is the grass out there is nothing but kindling for these fires, and we had winds at, at very, very high speeds.